Hey, please watch this short video and you will get the answers you are seeking.
So I have this method that I use to tag my videos and I call it the tag tree, and technically it's probably like an upside down tree because it goes from big to little, but I want to explain to you today how to better tag your videos to get more views and to rank higher on YouTube. Hello there and welcome back to my channel. I teach you to hashtag all the things about video and content marketing so you can make hashtag more money, and today we are chatting all about how to tag your YouTube videos to get them seen by more people, to rank higher, to get more views, all of that stuff. So what I want you to do before I get into the tip is to hit subscribe, because I create lots of new content for you guys every single week, 3 times a week, and I don't want you to miss any of it. Okay, so I have this method I use to tag videos, and like I said, I call it the tag tree method. Well, I realized very quickly that I probably shouldn't call it that because it's not shaped like a tree, is shaped more like a funnel, but we're gonna go with it, and this is something I teach in my VidFlu membership community, and I teach it on a bit of a higher level, but I thought I could break it down really quick for you guys so you can see what I'm talking about and hopefully be able to tag your videos better so that more people see them. Now, something I want to mention about tags is a lot of times people view them as almost like you would use hashtags or something on Instagram, like hashtag video, hashtag tagging, hashtag YouTube, and that's not how it works. It's more of how would someone be searching for that video. So you have your title, and hopefully that's optimized, and hopefully you've done some research and you've searched out to make sure you have the best title with the best keywords to be found for what you want to be found for. So what I want you to do is think the same way through your tags, except you have more options. So where you're limited in character space in the title, you have more space in those tags to really put in keywords that people are searching for. Let's just talk through this method. So let's say you have a video like this one is today, and it is how to tag YouTube videos to rank higher. Okay, that's my title. My first tag is going to be how to tag YouTube videos to rank higher. It is going to exactly match my title. Then I'm going to start taking away words, but creating tags in a way where people would search for them. So instead of how to tag YouTube videos to rank higher, I'm gonna say how to tag YouTube videos, then I'm gonna say how to rank higher on YouTube, then I'm going to say how to tag YouTube, and then I'm going to say how to rank higher, then I'm going to say tagging YouTube or tag YouTube or both, and then I'm going to continue to break it down in ways that people might be searching in words they might be searching within the search bar on YouTube. Now, once I've done that, I will start looking through some different phrases that Google Analytics gives me. So I go onto Google Analytics and I will type in how to tag YouTube videos so I can kind of see what that looks like in the Google verse. It will give me other phrases that people are searching for that are similar, so then I can take those and create tags out of those as well. You always want to be thinking about how your audience is searching for something, and your title should be the best way they're searching, but your tags can be the other ways that they search, and that will help you get found in more search results. It will help you rank higher because you are using the correct terms that people are searching for, and it will help you get more views because people are finding you. So this is a strategy I have used for about almost, wow, not a year yet, but a little close to a year, and it has worked tremendously for me, and I have went back and tagged some of my old videos with the same strategy and been able to bump them up in the rankings as well. So if you learned something today, I'd love for you to hit me in the comments and let me know how blown your mind is right now and how you are going to use this tag team ethic in the future of your YouTube channel. And remember to hit subscribe in the bell aisle of the bell. Hit the bell. Do it, do it, do it, do it now, do it, and then come back and see me next time I publish a video so you can learn more of this stuff. Bye, y'all.
Cool, right? So here is what I want you to do. Click the button below this video to claim your free trial.